demonstration, we'll take a look at using Teamcenter Visualization for comparing a mesh to a solid body. So we've begun by exporting a JT of the solid body. And just to make this a little bit more interesting, I've put an offset into the shell mesh, and we're displaying the shell mesh with thickness and offset turned on. And then we'll hide the solid body. And then we'll export a JT from the FEM. And we'll call this one our mesh. All right, and then we'll go over to Viz, Teamcenter Visualization. And we'll open up the solid JT first. And then we'll open up the mesh. So both of these are now open in our session. And then we'll go to the compare. Here you can see the mesh and the solids. Then we'll set our part group 1. We'll go ahead and select our solid. And then we'll set our part group 2 by selecting our mesh. And then we can create a tricolor map that will show our solid in red, our mesh in green, and where they're in common will be in blue. And that concludes the demonstration.